morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for newcomers. My name is Didi. Jessa is slowly walking away. Why are you walking away? Why are you walking away? Jessa, come back, come back. Jessa doesn't want to be in the picture today. Today, short TA update. Also, talking about yesterday, I went to a party, beautiful party at Bahia Beach. Nice, good live band. One of the best live bands I've heard in the last couple of years, I think, here in Lagos. Really good live band. I went there, I came home, checked my Instagram story because I found out that my wife and daughter was doing something really crazy, but you need to check my Instagram. I have 3 amazing charts that you need to see today. Really interesting. Yes, don't making it too long. Not making it too long. My English is not so good after a day of alcohol, so sorry for that. But let's quickly jump into the charts, and at the end I will have another message. But first, the charts. Bam. This is the first chart, guys. This is a 1-day chart. On that 1-day chart, if you remember, I was talking about that huge bull flag. I can't show it like completely because then I need to zoom out like this. And that bull flag, I told you guys, I expect this one to go to 37K. Now, this wick that we created now went outside of that bull flag. There's a day chart, so every candle is a day. I also told you, if we break that, guys, put your buy orders around that green line and around that orange line. Remember that? If you would have put some buy order spot at that green line, that would be hit. Orange line not hit yet. Are we going to hit that orange line? That's a very good question. I don't believe this can still work out as a beautiful bull flag pattern. This candle can stay close in 6 hours and 50 minutes above that white line. And then again, it would be a wick through it. But let's see. We can zoom into the 4-hour or 12-hour chart to see, if that white line now is becoming resistance. But on the day chart, that doesn't look bullish at the moment. But you never know. It is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is fooling us every day. But if you're not trading Bitcoin and just hodling Bitcoin, these next charts will give you a very beautiful view on what to do. The first one is over here. This chart is the Maya multiple 1.14, the Bitcoin price divided by 200-day moving average. You can see where we are at the moment. And the 200-day moving average is around 26,136. I think the weekly 200 moving average is around 27,000 US dollars. So we are at a very beautiful level at the moment with those 200 weekly and daily moving averages, which gives a lot of strength to Bitcoin. Because if you look back to the left on the chart, to the past, then you can see that black line, that 200-day moving average, during the bull run always has been the line that Bitcoin price found support on. In the bear market, the red areas on this chart, you can see we are down below that line. In the bull market, the green areas in this chart, you can see we are above that line. And now and then, like if you see over here, we retest that line a couple of times in the 2017 bull run. Let's go back here, 2020 bull run. We retested after the bear market 2 times that line before we had a huge distance created between that green and that black line. Now again, we can see that Bitcoin is retesting that line. And that retest doesn't mean we go to zero. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin will stop existing. It means that it's retesting that support level of the 200-day moving average. And it won't take too long that we will create distance with the price from that line. And that is exactly what that gray line on the bottom is showing you. Yes, we are around that 1 level now on the Maya multiple, but there will be a moment that we will be going higher than that 1 level, all the way up to the 2 level or even that 4 level again, which means the top of the bull market. Now, one more chart, that is this chart, because here you can see the Bitcoin cycle peak to the cycle peak. So on the left side on the chart, you can see the previous cycle peak is now noted as 1. So the white line is a 2021 peak. Now we can see where we are in this bull run. So the red line was the previous peak of 2013, and then the blue line was the one of 2011, as you can see, and the orange line was the line of 2017, the peak. And then we can see, if you look to the amount of blocks that we are making, how far and how long it will take till the halving and what will happen after the halving. Every time it's the same thing again and again and again. From the previous cycle peak, we go down to the bottom. That bottom is always between 105,000 and 150,000, somewhere in between these block counts. And then from there, we move up to the 210,000 block counts, which is the halving. And from that moment up, we go a shitload higher again to the beginning of that next cycle. So that will be the bull market top again. And then, bam, we get a bear market again. If you calculate this, check my previous videos with all the cycles, we will end up somewhere in 2025, August, September, somewhere there would be the new peak. So that doesn't mean that we will create an all-time high before. We can create an all-time high already in 2024, even 2023, depending on the volume that is kicking in. I believe 24 will be a new all-time high, and then 25 will be the new bull market top. But till that moment, keep dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops below 30K, I've been telling you, buy at 29.5K, buy at 29K, buy at 28K. Keep buying, but because there will be a moment that you will never get the chance again to buy below 30K ever. There will be a moment that you will never be able to buy below 30K ever. Because yes, when the bull market starts going and we go above the 100K and then we crash against 70K, who says that we will go down below 30K again? If we go to 110K, the bull market, 70K crash, check the numbers, where will we end? Not below 30K. So below 30K now seems expensive for you. You are afraid, you think we'll go to 20K, 19K, 18K, even in lower bottom 12K, people are shouting. I don't believe that shit. We are upcoming halving in 24. We are going to build slowly sideways. I've never seen a Bollinger Band so tight on the daily, also on the weekly, now contracting. This will mean huge moves are coming. Now, yesterday was a beautiful, fun evening. I had a party at a beautiful bar. The music was good. The band was good. The food was good. The company I was with was good. All Bitcoiners here. Growing, and that is what I wanted to talk about every day again and again at the Bam Bam Beach Bar, which is now called Shades of Grey Bam Bam Beach Hub. So the owner called the bar Shades of Grey. We have a beach hub, which means I just am not like legally responsible for the bar, but we have a beach hub there, and it's called the Bam Bam Beach Hub, and we can create beach hubs all over the world. Like any city of the world, we can create a Bam Bam Beach Hub with the same sense of vibe that creates and connects people that are same-minded with each other, talk about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. Keeping it short, that was everything for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, and leave a comment. What do you think about Jessa not being in my video anymore? Let's get Jessa in the screen because people want to see Jessa. Jessa! Hey, look. Jessa! Jessa! Jessa not coming anymore. Look. But then I give you this, my beautiful all in fiat or all in Bitcoin. I would choose all in Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow again.